How to wash Steam Deep Wave hair bundle properly. Step 1. Apply hair shampoo. Dip the whole hair bundle into the warm water, suggest 60 decicoulombs. Apply hair shampoo, and wash hair gently. Do not rub hard. Wash gently again and again. No shedding, no tangle. Rinse the hair with water, to remove all hair shampoo. No shedding, no tangle. Step 2. Apply hair conditioner. Apply hair conditioner and wait seconds to absorb into hair bundle. Silky soft in the wet. No combing wet hair with any comb. Do not use too much force. Massage hair gently. No tangle, no shedding. Rinse it with clean water, to remove all hair conditioner. Keep the same pattern in the wet as it in the dry. Step 3. Dry hair. Use a soft cotton towel to gently squeeze out excess water from the hair. Repeat massaging hair gently with a cotton towel many times. Do not use any comb. Do not rub or comb the hair immediately after washing. Then, roll hair in the cotton towel, and put it in an airy space. No blow dry hair with a hairdryer. When hair dry 90%, spray hair serum to add shine for hair. Additional tips. Avoid frequent washing. Wash your deep wave bundles only when necessary to avoid drying them out. Use a silk or satin pillowcase. If you sleep with your bundles installed, use a silk or satin pillowcase or a hair bonnet to minimize friction and prevent tangling. Avoid heat. Minimize the use of heat styling tools to preserve the steam deep wave pattern. Thank you for your watching Thanh An Hair channel. Please like, comment, subscribe for more attractive videos. Say goodbye and see you next video.